Aloha and welcome to Conversations. Can you believe that we are in week 10 of our COVID-19 journey? A huge mahalo to all of you, residents and staff, for sticking with us as we have navigated through uncharted waters. On May 18th, Governor Ige issued the Beyond Recovery Reopening Hawaii. Copies of this are available at the reception desk. However, if you would like a digital copy emailed to you, please reach out to Gerald Cam at Arcadia and Phyllis E. Horry at 15 Craigside. Currently, we are in the Act with Care phase. Joining me today, we have Bree Komagome, our Chief Operating Officer from 15 Craigside, Heidi Pliska, our Chief Operating Officer from Arcadia, as well as Stacy Young, our Chief Operating Officer for Home and Community-Based Services. They're going to share with us what the Act with Care phase means for the residents, clients, members, and staff of the Arcadia Family of Companies.
Hi, Heidi and I wanted to share with you some upcoming changes for 15 Craigside and Arcadia, so you know what to expect. Effective June 1st, changes include one of the most important ones, bringing back salon and massage services. We will be bringing back our contract beautician and massage therapists at both communities, and they will begin resident services with some restrictions. We are also excited to announce bringing back our tours, and for any new resident move-ins after June 1st, they will not be subject to the 14-day quarantine.
Also, at both communities, we will end the 14-day quarantine for non-medical purposes for all AL and IL residents who choose to go out into the greater Honolulu community. Due to the safer at home orders being extended to June 30th, however, we are asking and will continue to encourage you to stay at home. If you do decide to go out, we will be asking you to let us know where you are going so we know your whereabouts in case we do have to conduct contact tracing. When you leave the building and upon returning, we will ask that you wear masks in our common areas, continue social distancing, and practice good hand hygiene. For any resident that will be admitted to an ER or a hospital, you will still need to quarantine upon your return. In addition, at both communities, we will be doing limited family visits during the weekdays. There will be a designated area outside of each building. We will practice social distancing and face masks. There will be some items in June that will remain the same. We will look at those items at the end of the month, and we will decide whether or not we can make changes or adjustments at that time. So for example, the skilled nursing facility at both communities will remain in quarantine.
We will continue to provide shuttle transportation for necessary and essential medical appointments, but will not be adding back any recreational stops. In-room dining will continue at both communities, and we will still have a limit of 10 people for programs, events, and wellness classes.
The Adult Daycare Center temporarily closed in mid-March due to the stay-at-home order. In the interim, the center staff have been continuing to assist clients for Arcadia Home Health Services, as well as residents at both 15 Craigside and Arcadia. We're also working with Central Union Church on plans to reopen the center, as the services and care we provide to our clients is essential to their health and well-being, and many family caregivers will soon be returning back to work. For Arcadia at Home, our members continue to remain safe in their own home. While their access to the communities is limited, we're still able to support them with services such as IT, yard, home-delivered meals, and CNA services. The at-home team is finding new ways to engage with members while we all learn to navigate through our new normal. Each day, the Arcadia Home Health Services team helps to support our kupuna in the community through needed services like housekeeping, personal care, escort services, and home-delivered meals. During this pandemic, our home health team has also been called upon to support the healthcare centers, the clinic, and AL residents at both communities, as more hands are needed to ensure those that we serve remain safe. I'd like to thank the Home and Community-Based Services team for being positive and flexible during this time of uncertainty. And to the 15 Craigside and Arcadia staff, thank you for welcoming our HCBS team and making them feel a part of your team during this time.
Thank you to our staff for your everyday dedication, your hearts of service, and most of all for keeping yourself safe, as well as our kupuna. them.
And thank you to all of our residents, clients, and members for being so flexible and adapting to all these changes, and for doing your part to keep yourselves and each other safe and healthy.
And to Bree, to Heidi, and to Stacy, thank you for your leadership during this time of COVID and continuing to move us forward as we journey together. Thank you guys for watching this week. We'll see you next week. Take care and stay safe. See you later.
Bye.